Did you know that you can make a girl wet down there with just how you communicate with her? That is exactly what I will gradually expose to you in this video. Hello guys, welcome to another important video from Masculine Volt. Visit our blog at www.masculinevolt.com to read more interesting and educative contents about masculinity, masculine dating, men's health, men's success, finances, and a lot more. On this video, I want to tell you how you can create a very strong sexual tension when talking with a girl and make her wet down there while you talk to her. Kindly like and share this content to help us increase our reach to make more men see this video. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel so you will be among the first to see our newest videos. Now, let us go into business. You have to know that a woman's desire starts in her mind before it ever reaches her body. The way you talk, pause, and hold control decides how deep she feels your presence. Real men do not chase reactions. They command them through tone, timing, and calm confidence. When your words flow with control and mystery, she feels your power without a single touch. That is exactly what I want to teach you in this video. How to control a girl's mind and make her legs shake while you talk to her. 1. Play with your words. Do not speak plainly. Play with your words, like a man who knows what he is doing. Be subtle, not vulgar. Give compliments that spark curiosity, not predictability. Say things like, "You have this energy that is hard to ignore." That line plants thoughts without being explicit. The right words make her imagine, and imagination is where desire begins. Keep it smooth, confident, and intentional. 2. Pay attention to her reactions. Watch how she responds. If she smiles, blushes, or plays with her hair, she is tuned into your energy. Do not rush. Do not break the moment with nervous laughter. Stay composed. Adjust your tone and your pace to match her vibe. The more aware you are of her signals, the deeper the connection grows. Women respond to men who read them effortlessly. Control the rhythm. That is real masculine power. 3. Break body contact. If you are sitting close or lightly touching her, break contact at the right moment. Pull back, just when she starts getting comfortable. That small distance creates longing. It makes her want your touch again. The trick is timing. Withdraw calmly, not abruptly. When you pull away with control, she feels your dominance, and her desire heightens. 4. Tease her romantically. Teasing is not childish. It is a test of charm and control. Say things that challenge her playfully, but softly. Smile while you do it. Make her laugh, but make her think too. Tease her like a man who knows what she wants, but will not rush to give it. That mix of confidence, humor, and restraint turns the atmosphere electric. Romantic teasing is the art of tension, and only real men master it. 5. Make romantic jokes. When the chemistry is already strong and she is clearly drawn to you, this is when you can raise the tension. Paint a picture that stirs emotion. Tell her what you would do to her in a quiet place or behind closed doors. Describe the atmosphere. Maybe a red light, calm music, whispers in her ear. Use this as romantic jokes that hint at desire without being explicit. Say it with a calm smile, steady tone, and full control. You are not trying to shock her. You are teasing her emotions. Timing is everything. When the bond is real, a little playful boldness keeps her thinking about you long after the moment ends. In conclusion, powerful men know the art of control. You do not rush, beg, or prove anything. You guide the energy and let her imagination do the work. Every word, every glance, every pause should feed her curiosity. When you master this calm dominance, she connects your voice with pleasure. Real seduction is not loud. It is silent, slow, and unforgettable. Thanks for watching to the end. Hit that subscribe button, like this video, and drop a comment below. Let's build a community of high-value men who dominate every area of life. See you in our next video.